It's bath time for the bog. Gotta get that face. I know they don't like it, but he don't mind it. This is me looking at him straight on. He is such a big horse. This is like one of the most satisfying things ever. Make sure to be very thorough. Get up in them cheeks. Time for the other side, Bob. I'm not getting it anywhere. I know. Good boy. Blank area where they sweat a lot. Hi, baby. Thank you. Gotta wipe the drippy drippies. Feasting time. He's so well behaved. He just put himself away. Okay, I'm coming to take your halter off, Bubba's. Oh, and now Mare came to put herself away. You two are the best. I'm going to continue cleaning stalls while these two just have a heyday.